Data science is changing. The next 10 years of data science industry are going to be very different from the last 10 years. And if you're looking to become a data scientist, you need to know about three key trends that are underway. Number one, data science is becoming automated. A lot of the manual tasks that data scientists did not like doing, a lot of them are actually getting automated. And things like even machine learning is also getting automated, and you should be ready for automation in data science, and you should learn automated machine learning or data science more. The second trend, data science is moving to cloud. As you would know, there are a lot of cloud platforms which are providing really powerful at scale data science solutions that can be deployed in the industry. So if you can master these solutions capabilities, you will be prepared. And third trend that you should be aware about is hyper specialization of data science roles. Data science is going to be an umbrella in which you will have multiple fields. If you know what specific area you want to pursue, you can actually ace this industry really well.